Hello rail fans, and welcome to Buccaneer Railfanning. Here on this channel, you will see a vast collection of power and locations, from narrow gauge steam in the mountains of Colorado to CSX F40s rolling through the heart of Kentucky. There's much for y'all to enjoy. I'm mainly railfan in my hometown of Richmond, Kentucky on the CC Subdivision, which is formerly L&N territory, and also Norflok Southern C&O and TP line, which is former Southern territory. I am also in the U.S. Army as a loader on an M1 Abrams, and I enjoy tanks just as much as I love trains. So expect to see a little bit of both when you're around. I hope y'all enjoy watching, stay tuned, and see you out there in the iron.